Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you're all doing well, and like I said in my past video, this time I'm bringing to you a PC build. So for starters, as my specs, I got a Ryzen 5 2600. I was gonna get the 1600 AF, but currently they were out of stock, and instead of being their normal price of $85, they ramped it up to $112. So instead I just got this one, which costed me, I'll tell you right now. For motherboard, I got an Asus Prime B450M-A. RAM, I got actually a pretty good deal. I got a kit of 16 gigs Vengeance RAM of 3600 megahertz speed. I paid like around $86 after taxes on this, which normally this, like the retail price, is around $130, which was a pretty good deal. I saw it and took it. I got some RGB fans here. 650 watt power supply from EVGA. GeForce GTX 1660 Super from Zotac. And it's the Montech Firefly case. And it's like a budget case, pretty good. But let's get started building. I forgot to mention at the beginning that I got a 120 gig M.2 SSD. So guys, as you can see, the computer did boot and everything, and to avoid the process of boring part of Windows, I'll just do this. So guys, Windows just finished installing. I'm gonna update some drivers on this thing, and also I'm gonna install some benchmarks so you can see the stock performance of all the components. I'm gonna try to overclock it a bit and then show you those benchmarks also. So let's get to it. As you can see, we got a total score of 5,743. This is just like to see the stock speeds of the computer. So after overclocking the CPU and the GPU, we can see there was quite a boost in performance. So for the CPU, we did not get that much of a higher score. Original score on 3D Mark was 5,659. Overclocked it was 5,924, which was just a 265 boost in points. For the GPU, before overclocking, it was 5,759. After overclocking, I got a total score of 6,536, which is a total of 777 points extra. Now, in total score, we got originally 5,743 and jumped up to a 6,335 score, which is a boost of 592 points, which is not too bad for a bit of overclocking, and it's the first time I've ever overclocked. I just followed a bit, and if you want to see how I overclocked it, I'll be posting soon a video about that. Now, to end this video, here are all the prices after taxes without shipping. And the only two components that won't be included is the AIO and the 1TB hard drive. Why? Because the 1TB hard drive used to be my game drive from my old computer, so I just added it to there, so it didn't end up costing me anything now. And the AIO, the reason was I bought it off Facebook Marketplace, and I found a really good deal that I doubt almost anyone could find. I bought it for $20 without the fans, and originally I think it's around like $125 to $135. So I didn't want to include that because I feel like it wouldn't be fair if you're trying to build a PC just like this. Trying to find a deal like that for an AIO, it's sort of impossible. So, but you get enough cooling with the stock cooler, the Wraith Stealth cooler, and you don't need a lot since it only has a TDP of 65 watts. The Stealth cooler is more than enough to cool your computer as long as you're not doing a lot of overclocking. You can probably boost up a little bit and still get performance out of it. And that's the ending of this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And share with a friend or two if you want to. And I hope this helped you in some ways if you want to build a computer or anything. And I'll see you the next time.